love her dress. Hate her.
When the night's too dark, you're my hero. When our troubles come, we can lay low. Say like we're never gonna leave. We gon' do it like the
Hey, it's Jackie and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a Halloween tutorial based on one of my favorite movies, A Cinderella Story. I love Hilary Duff, and of course we have the iconic mean girl, Shelby Cummings. And when I think of Halloween, I think of her as the angel. It's just such a cool costume. So I had to recreate it today, and I hope you guys like it. And if you can tell, I did some new redecorating. I got new lights, so let me know if you like how this is filmed. And speaking of decor, check this out. I got this portrait from Benefit Canada when I was on the Miami trip with the brand. I had such an amazing time. Vlog coming soon to my vlog channel, but I'm trying to figure out where to put this. I feel like if Shelby was a real person, she'd be like, hang it front and center. I'm not gonna do that, but I love the portrait, and I am gonna show you guys my favorite brow products with Benefit Canada today. So to create this brow look, I'm using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil, which I use every day anyway, and then the 3D brow tones to give highlights to my brows. And Shelby's brows are very arched and put together, so I added Highbrow from Benefit as well, and then you'll see the rest of this very fun glittery makeup look. So thumbs up if you enjoy it, and if you're new to my channel and love TV and movie recreations, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification button, and let's get started. I've already applied moisturizer in Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow. It's my favorite priming routine for a healthy looking base. And this is my go-to lip balm. It's called SKINFOOD Honeypot Lip Balm. It's just so fun to apply and really preps the lips to be super moisturized, and also kind of gives a glossy look. Skin time, I'm mixing my most worn foundation, the Benefit Hello Happy in shade 1. I get a lot of compliments when I wear this one, and I've added in a drop of the Body Shop Honey Bronze Drops of Sun. This base is very buttery and sun-kissed, and I'm applying with a damp beauty blender and spritzing some of MAC Fix Plus Pink Light infused with the pearlescent pearls for the ultimate glow. I really love to set the skin when it's still the liquid products. And then for my favorite setting powder, it's the Charlotte Tilbury Genius Magic Powder. I'm obsessed with this. It's light diffusing, and it has a brightening radiance effect that I can actually see. A lot of the times they claim it, and then I can't tell a difference. This one I can. I will have listed in the down bar some dupes for any really expensive products that I'm using, but it is a favorite that I wanted to show. And then favorite matte bronzer, Benefit Hoola Lite to add in more of that buttery skin tone we're going for today. And to add definition to the face, just do a 3 motion. So you're hitting the forehead, through the temples, under the cheekbones, and under the jawline. Deepening up the contour a bit. I love to contour my nose as well. And my blush pick today is Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush Collection in Brilliant Nude. This shade is a deep amber blush blended with brilliant strobe light for a luminous glow. Literally gives a highlighted look to the cheeks, if you can see that there. And I tend to stay away from this type of product when my skin is really textured. I do get little tiny bumps all throughout my skin sometimes. I don't know why, but I was having a pretty good skin day, so I went crazy with the glow. And moving on to brows, I'm using Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 3. I go between 3 and 3.5 depending on if my hair is a little bit lighter or darker, and this is just the easiest brow pencil to use in my opinion. If you have thinner brows, I'd recommend Precisely My Brow from Benefit because it has a smaller tip for etching and details, but this Goof Proof brow pencil features a custom Goof Proof tip that instantly shapes, defines, and fills brows. So I use the wide base to fill and shape by just fading upwards, and then I use the pointed edge to define more of the tail of the brow. Next, Highbrow, a creamy brow highlighting pencil that easily blends to brighten and visibly lift the brows. So I even added some up top to clean up that arch and make it pop. I think this does really make a difference if you're looking for more of a bolder brow look. And because I already added in some temporary highlights using the L'Oreal Colorista spray in gold to my hair, I am adding some golden flecks to my brows as well with Benefit 3D Brow Tones in shade 2. If this looks familiar, I did use these exact steps in the Veronica from Sierra Burgess is a Loser look that I filmed as well. And we need some maroons, purples, and pinks for these bold eyes, so I grabbed the Naked Cherry palette from Urban Decay, love this one, and I'm taking a maroon and bringing this in a rounded shape, exaggerating my crease, and we really want lots of room for that glitter. Deepening up especially on the outer V, keeping it round like a half moon, and if you can, try to go with matte shadows for this step because we really want to have that contrast between the matte and then all the glitter. With a matte highlight, softening the transition a bit, but we do want it harsh enough that this shape really pops. Also bring the shadow down under the outer portion of the lash line. And I use a lot of MAC pigments, but if you are on a budget, NYX has great dupes and their glitter glue primer is amazing. This was my first impression and it seriously lasted me so long, made the glittery pigments very easy to use and not too much of a mess, though I just totally knocked over my whole glitter can. Nothing to do with the application, I'm just messy, but yeah. First, this hot pink finely milled glitter. And what I think is so fun about this look is to add in more of a holographic pink glitter through the center of the lid. This is gonna give that very sparkly Kira Kira app type of lid. Love it. And some liquid liner to thicken up the lash line. This one is my favorite from MAC. I thought a bit of a wing was appropriate for this angel look, and I'm blending in that liner with some pencil liner to the tight line and the inner tear duct. I love to line here, I think it gives it more of a cat eye appearance. Go with some wispy flared out lashes. I got these from NYX to add to the glamour.
In your eyes I put my trust. Baby, you're my all-time favorite drug.
I'm blending in with one of my favorite mascaras, Benefit Bad Gal Bang. This is a volumizing mascara that layers easily to build massive volume without weighing down lashes.
When the rain hits hard on my window, when the night's too dark, you're my
And now lip liner. I started with this Plum from MAC really gently for natural lip definition.
We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride into the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs. We gon' do it like they do in the movies.
To tie the lip shades together, I'm obsessed with this Collagen Lip Bath Gloss from Charlotte Tilbury. The applicator is a little heart, and this lasts so long, it plumps your lips to make them look fuller and healthier. Any clear, plumping lip gloss will work perfect. A couple more finishing touches. I was loving this whole look and wanted a bit more overall glow. I went with Benefit's Gold Rush Blush, a golden nectar shade infused with delicate golden flecks. This smells so good that I just love finishing looks with it. It has a signature glamber scent with notes of citrus, vanilla, and sandalwood. I've had kisses on my cheeks and compliments about the scent of my face after using this, so definitely recommend. And just to test out the NYX glitter, I got this white with a pinky reflect to it, and I added it to my inner corners and body using the same adhesive first, and these were beautiful and easy to work with too. The arched brows, glitter, gloss, and glow is my fave glam look that I've tried in a while, that's for sure. And for hair, I did this before filming the makeup. Normally I show both, but I did the same steps in my previous tutorial. So if you want to see how to get crazy volume like this, it is in my last series of hair tutorials from the Kissing Booth. And all I did that was different was added a L'Oreal Colorista gold spray, as I mentioned. And let's take a look at the outfit. You'll need a light iridescent pink top. You can find anything online nowadays if you give yourself enough time, so I found this very inexpensive flowy top from Boohoo. Didn't have the long cape, but I thought it gave similar vibes for sure. You could also wear a lace-up bodysuit that's a bit easier to find, a pink sweater, anything that's pink and girly. And I DIY'd some little booty shorts, also from a costume store, by adding some hoops and lacing up to the front. These are so short. I'm embracing my youth, I guess. They just had one size left at the store. And then these lace-up boots are amazing. Again, another internet find, but you can find white lace-up boots at stores like Aldo or white go-go boots at Halloween costume stores. You can keep it more inspired, but it's for sure pretty easy to recreate, so I hope some of you guys try it out and tag me. I hope you enjoyed this Shelby Cummings look from A Cinderella Story, and if you did, make sure you give this a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty videos. This is one of my favorite nostalgic movies to watch. It's so much has changed, like the flip phones and everything. Oh, it's just so good. But anyways, if you want to stay updated with me, make sure you're following me on Instagram and you'll see what videos are coming up. I do have Lara Jean from To All the Boys I've Loved Before. That was supposed to be out before this video, but it's just taking me a really long time to edit, so get excited for that one. And here are some of my favorite recreations that you guys have sent in. So I'd love to see your pictures. Thank you for tagging me. And thanks again to Benefit Canada for this insane portrait, as well as the amazing Miami trip. I will have a vlog over on my vlog channel, so make sure you're subscribed over there for all the kind of behind the scenes stuff. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.